Leviathan coasters, where today I'm here at Paultons Park for the opening of Valgard, Realm of the Vikings. Today is a very exciting day. It's also the theme park superfans event. Yeah, the whole area, including Paultons Park first ever thrill coaster Drakon, is opening today. We've got the UK's first wild swing, Raven, which is a rethemed ride. The whole area looks great from what I've seen. So the opening day today is about 10 to 9 in the morning. Yeah, going to get inside the park very shortly. Yeah, 9:15 and the park is open.
Before the flame, before the tribe,
it goes.
Yeah, so all this is queue line, and then they've built a second queue, I think, that forms all the way around here, and then down towards the entrance that way is a very busy one for Drakon, as expected. Here we go. Wow, I've just ridden Drakon. The queue wasn't too bad for it. It probably took about an hour and a half. I'll have a look in a minute what time I joined, but yeah, that was really good. The restraints were like really free on there, so it wasn't as bad as I was expecting with the over-the-shoulder restraints. And I've got to say, it was silky smooth. I was expecting, it's a Gerstlauer, I was thinking it was going to have some like head bashing, but no, it was so smooth around the whole layout. Really quite intense on the drop. The stall was really good. Yeah, first ride on Drakon. I'd like to do it on the front row later, but my first ride. It's amazingly themed as well in there. Come ride it for yourself, because it's got like the first, before the lift hill, there's some like theming inside. It's really good. Really like Drakon. Yeah, now it's time to explore the rest of Valgard. It doesn't even feel like I'm in Paultons Park. It's incredible. Like the level of theming, to think this used to be Cobra is insane. Like I've walked out the exit over there and you got the entrance to Raven here. The level of theming in this area is incredible. Look at the detail on the entrance sign for Raven. It's currently got a 40-minute posted wait. But yeah, the whole area of Valgard looks absolutely incredible. Yeah, look at the side of the building, and we've got a little animatronic here. Let's go and have a look at Scald then. Scald? Is he a talking bird? Oh, he moves. That is really cool. Look at that. Honestly, I think I'm still a bit shocked. I was expecting this area to be very good, but the level I've seen around the whole area. Of course, this is next year's thing. We'll find out about this at the Superfans event later this evening. But wow, the whole area. We've got toilets here. I don't know if these used to be here, but they're all themed in. Yeah, we'll take a quick peek at what my best guess is going to be a water coaster for next year. But yeah, there'll be more on that later at the Theme Park Superfans event, I'm sure, and we'll probably find out exactly what it's going to be, and it'll be confirmed, hopefully. Yeah, we've got this nice seating area though to look out over the new ride or over the construction for now. This is out the back of the feasting hall. Yeah, we'll be going in the feasting hall a little bit later. Got Raven here, which is obviously repainted, rethemed Cobra. I say rethemed, I mean, let's be real, it wasn't themed before, and now it is looking incredible. Even the toilets here are looking really good. They're obviously very clean, really big inside, so plenty of room for crowds. So I believe that toilet box is new actually. And yeah, here we go. Here's Raven coming round. Yeah, it's going to be time to go over onto Wild Swing now. It's only got a 30-minute queue. So very excited for this one. Go and join the queue line down here.
If I can afford to save up for something next year, that's that.
Oh, look at that! I wouldn't be looking at this big benefit word, to be honest. Oh yeah, just
experienced Wild Swing, and I've got to say that was great. I've done the ART engineering Wild Swings before, and yeah, that was really good, really smooth ride. Great, it's a great ride. I'm really glad we got one of them here in the UK. I wouldn't want anyone else other than Paultons to get that because they've themed it up brilliantly. The attention to detail is great, and the view you get is amazing. I did it facing the Lost Kingdom. I like to do it facing Valgard later, but still, yeah, that is Wild Swing, and I think Drakon's just about to go over its left hill. Yeah, so I think it's going to be time to do Raven.
Steady your courage, grip tight, and prepare to fly with the ravens across the skies of Valgard.
Yeah, Edge isn't in Valgard, so I don't think the future of that ride is going to be too long here. But yeah, here is the sign. Look at this, now leaving Valgard. That's a cool little sign. You've even got this raven in there as well. I don't know how well you can see him, but he lights up when you go through, so that was great. Wow, Paultons have done such a good job with Cobra. It's now called Raven. Honestly, before it felt like an amusement park, like a temporary ride almost. It wasn't well themed at all, to be honest, and now it feels like it's been so well thought about. It's got the nice dark green track colour with the very dark brown supports. It's got theming everywhere. The indoor queue line's incredible. Honestly, I've got no faults with that ride. It's the same ride as before, like physically, it's the same tech, but yeah, it's such a good ride, Raven. It fits really well with the area. The interaction, I imagine, is really good with Drakon. There we go, it left my mind for a second. Yeah, now I'm going to go and check out some of the other park, which will be in my main park vlog, but I'll see you in a second when I come back into Valgard a little bit later. And here we are now. It's about 2:30, heading back into Valgard, realm of the Vikings, and I want to go straight on for a re-ride on Drakon. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Let's go on Drakon.
If Drakon should appear, you fight! This is Valgard, our home, our battleground.
Oh my god! Thank you, baby.
Well, Drakon, done on the back row. Yeah, really good. I just really want to get a front row before the park closes in a bit, so I think I'll go for more e-rides on there. Yeah, I'm going to have a quick look in the shop to see if there's any merch for any of the rides or the area itself in Valgard. But Valgard hasn't got a shop, so we'll go in here. Well, I've just been in the shop. I picked up a few little bits, a couple of magnets and a hat. There was some merch, as I'm showing you now. Yeah, there wasn't loads of stuff. The merch here at Paultons, some of it's quite good, but yeah, I do wish, that is one thing, they do so much right here. I do wish they'd improve on merch. So if you're watching this Paultons, yeah, just more like embroidered things and more like ride personal stuff would be really cool. There we go, I got the cap on. It was the best thing I could find, really. I didn't want to just buy like the transfer t-shirts because I think a couple of washes and that'll all like wash off. They were 20 quid though, so not too bad. Well, we've got a bit of weather now, and I'm going back over to Drakon for a third ride today. Please, I'm really hoping I get the front row because I think this might be my last ride today, so yeah, fingers crossed for that front row. There's only 2 rows on it as well. Oh yeah, the sheep walks around the water wheel.
See, until the sheep moves, you can't close.
Whoa! Whoa!
It's really quicker when it's full.
Well, it finally happened. I had my front row ride on Drakon. It took 3 rides. Oh yeah, I'm glad I got on the front. It was really, really good. It was raining. I will say on that one, I don't know if it's because I didn't keep my head forward all the time. I did get a little bit of ear bashing, but it's still really, really smooth. It's by far the best Gerstlauer in the country. Gerstlauer Eurofighter, that is. Of course, the bobsleigh is also Gerstlauer. Raven, I don't know if I've got any more time to do anything. Very lucky to be going to the Theme Park Superfans event in just a little bit. And I've got to be over at Storm Chaser for 5:30 for that, so I can't really risk being late in that. I need to get there earlier anyway, so yeah, I don't think I've got time to do anything else, but it has been absolutely amazing today, and we've got a few like behind the scenes bits later today in that event, and that will be a separate video. Well, after my front row ride, I thought it would be a good time to come and get some footage of the ride and have a look from down here. All I do have to say, despite maybe the odd little bump on it, it is still exceptionally smooth. For a Gerstlauer Eurofighter, it's by far the best Gerstlauer we've got in the country, in my opinion. It's definitely the best Eurofighter I've ever done. I do love Drakon now. It's got a very good layout, and it is mostly smooth. It was only, I had a front row ride, and my ears got bashed a little bit, but nothing too bad at all. I'm being nitpicky there, but I wasn't going to not mention it. I do just want to say, I have kindly been invited down to the park today by Paultons Park, but yeah, like I say, that's never going to change what I say on a video or anything. So I've been completely honest about my thoughts on Drakon. I think it's still a great ride. It's amazing for this park. It's a really, really good ride. It's very enjoyable, and like I've said, with the ear bashing, it really doesn't take away from it. I think I'm being too nitpicky there, to be fair, but it is a really good ride. It has got the over the shoulder restraints. I understand why the park have done it. I prefer lap bars, but never mind. It is to make it sort of less scary for families. Drakon, amazing. The theming, oh my, this ride is such a full package as well. Even all around the ride, like track, it's so well presented. It's got smoke effects, the soundtrack, the interaction with Raven. Honestly, yeah, Drakon is an incredible addition to Paultons Park for 2026. I can't wait to see what they do in the future, and that will be coming up in the next video from the Theme Park Superfans event, where we find out what they're doing in 2027. So yeah, that is all from me in this little Valgard video, but join me over there because we're going to be having a behind the scenes look at Drakon.